Welcome to the Land Treatment Exploration Tool. The U.S. Geological Survey partnered with the Bureau of Land Management to create the Land Treatment Exploration Tool to facilitate adaptive management of land treatments. The Exploration Tool provides a practical resource for managers who are planning restoration and rehabilitation actions on public lands. The tool generates a variety of products while being user-friendly for all levels of GIS expertise, even to those with little or no experience. The tool steps the user through 6 easy steps to produce a standardized and repeatable report. The tool provides useful summaries of environmental characteristics of planned treatment areas and facilitates adaptive management practices by comparing those characteristics to other similar treatments within a specified distance or area of interest. For more information, you can view the Home, About, and the User Guide section of this website. You can navigate to the Exploration tool by visiting usgs.gov/LTET. This will take you to the project landing page. Simply click Start Planning to start using the tool.